Ladies and gentlemen, I have a treat for you, an all-new way to get in shape. You see, I've discovered something fascinating with the latest studies. Training your arms only may actually be better than training your whole body. That's right. Training just one part of your body can have huge benefits on the rest of it. So come along and follow my instructions. We'll start off with some push-ups and then carry on to some bicep curls. Training just one part of your body is easier than ever before. Maybe you're wondering how training your arms can help you get fit and healthy. Well, it's actually quite simple. When you train your arms only, 3 things happen. First of all, your upper body gets in great shape. Secondly, your lower body is strengthened too. And thirdly, your core will be ripped to shreds. You see, when you train your arms only, it's like training the entire body at the same time. All the big fitness experts are doing it and getting amazing results. You know what else that is? Cheaper. It costs less to just train one thing than to do all of them. You can save thousands of dollars by training just your arms and getting a great body. One that's better than the kind you would get by training the whole body, of course. Because when you train your arms only, you not only get a bigger, thicker upper body, but also a more chiseled lower half. That's right. One part of your body will give you 2 kinds of results. Isn't that better than training your whole body and only getting one? Yes, it is. And here's why. By training one part of your body, you'll be able to look good without having to join a gym. I'll show you how to do your exercises in the comfort of your own home. You won't have to waste time getting to and from the gym. Plus, you'll save money on gas. And guess what? You can even train your arms when you're injured. It's a great idea because when you're recovering, it's actually best to focus just on one part of your body. If you don't and continue training the whole body, then it just gets stressed more and doesn't heal as quickly. I can tell you, the first time I injured my back, I thought it was curtains for my health and physique. But when I just trained my arms and got great results, within a few weeks, I was in tip-top shape again. And I was certainly more confident. So if you're sick of wasting money on weight training and gym memberships, give this a shot. It's so simple. Just train your arms only a couple days each week and get the results you want. And stay healthy while that happens. I guarantee it. I don't see why not. You can't lose with this program. Let's get started. How I only train my arms. Bar-facing dips. The biggest mistake I see with people is that they only train one part of their body for their biceps. If you are only training your arms, you are missing out on growth potential. For example, if you do the bar-facing dips then at the same time, do push-ups on your knees, as shown above, and do standing barbell curls while standing up, your biceps will grow. So push-ups and bar-facing dips will stimulate bicep growth, as well as both your upper body and lower body. And no, you can't get that combination of growth potential and results without lifting weights. Standing on your head, holding them positions also makes your biceps grow. The most important thing is to work all areas of your body. If you do standing on your head while doing bicep curls, you will not be working the front part of your upper arm that really needs it. Like I tell my clients all the time, you have to work the back sides of your arms. This is what makes them bigger. So if you are only training arms, never forget about this exercise. Alternating bicep curls. This exercise works both arms equally and also stimulates your upper back muscles. The other thing you need to know is that if you only train your arms will be fine. If you only train your legs or back, it's not going to really make a big difference. If you want to make the biggest change in your physique, then focus on all areas, arms, back, and legs. Bent over rows. I like to bend over rows while doing bicep curls. and if you are only training your arms. You have to work the back part of your arm because it will make the backside bigger. To understand how this works, you have to imagine that your backside is the bicep and your front of the upper arm is just a big round ball, but not big. If you train just one side, it's not going to grow. The bicep has to work both sides to grow. Seated barbell presses. If you do this exercise right, you will stimulate growth of both arms. Although odd people say it's only one arm that grows, so I don't know how they can tell. And this is how it works. If I'm doing a standing military press, then I need to make sure that my torso is flat because that determines the larger part of the upper arm. When I bend over rows, then my torso leans forward and my upper back muscles get worked. That's why you have to do this exercise on a seated or high pulley bar machine for maximum results. You only train your arms, but that doesn't mean you'll get the same results as somebody who trains the whole body. For example, if you do bar-facing dips and push-ups on your knees, then your biceps will get bigger and so will your chest. Using this program, they might not grow as much as they would if you were also training the rest of your body, but they'll be bigger than if you hadn't trained them at all. Are you paying for a gym membership? If it's just arms, then there's no reason for you to pay for a gym membership. And you don't have to waste time going there or even going out of the house. You can do all your exercises here at home. Are you only doing bicep curls? Again, if you're only training your arms, then this is a big mistake because they are not being worked as well as they could be. Are you only doing bend over rows? That's a great exercise. But if you are only doing one exercise of the bicep, then there's not much that can result from it. If you're only training one area of the arm, then your arms will still grow nice and big. And they will be bigger than they would be if they were just being trained by themselves. Are you using a weight that really isn't heavy or even heavy enough? It is possible to see results in 1 week with this program. Even if you just do 2 of the exercises, like bicep curls and bent over rows, it's still working out 2 different muscle groups. It's as if you were doing more than one exercise. Are you only training your arms? And are you getting results? Then why not continue on and ask yourself these questions? Are you only training your arms? Do you get results in a week? Do other people ask you what are you doing because they see your arms are huge, and I know they will definitely thank you. So if it's really time to do it, then keep going. We hope you're going to implement this in your workout routine, and don't hesitate to tell us your results in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.